Welcome back to Wander Wheels, where we take you for a ride into the world of the most exciting machines on two wheels. Today, we're diving into the beast that's about to redefine the road, the Blackout Fury 800. This bike isn't just a head turner, it's an adrenaline-packed machine built for riders who crave power and performance. First impressions. Absolutely menacing. The Blackout Fury 800 gets its name from this sleek, all-black design, stealthy yet powerful, ready to dominate the streets. But don't let the looks fool you. This machine backs up that attitude with sheer performance. Under the hood, we've got an 800cc parallel twin engine, delivering an impressive 105 horsepower and torque that'll have you gripping those handlebars a little tighter. Whether you're carving through mountain roads or cruising down the highway, the Blackout Fury offers responsiveness that will keep you hooked to the ride. But what's power without control, right? The fully adjustable suspension ensures that the Blackout Fury can handle any terrain you throw at it, and it'll keep you comfortable no matter how long the ride. Plus, its dual-disc braking system gives you that extra confidence to stop on a dime, essential when you're pushing the limits. The tech on this bike is top-notch. A full-color TFT display provides all the info you need at a glance, including multiple riding modes for different conditions, whether you're in sport mode for maximum thrill, or in urban mode for that everyday commute. And the built-in navigation means you'll never lose your way, even when you're chasing the horizon. And when you're on this bike, it's pure, unfiltered freedom. The exhaust growl, the punchy throttle response, and the low-slung, aggressive riding position make the Blackout Fury 800 feel like a wild animal waiting to be unleashed. This isn't just a bike, it's a statement. The Blackout Fury 800 is for those who don't just want to ride, they want to own the road. With its killer looks, raw power, and modern tech, this bike is the perfect blend of style and performance. If you're a rider who's always chasing the next thrill, the Blackout Fury 800 might just be the bike for you. It's aggressive, it's fast, and it's ready to take on any challenge. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to Wander Wheels for more rides like this. Drop a comment below if you'd love to see this beast in action, and until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your spirit wild.